Glendale Water and Power is committed to maintaining the quality of our critical utility infrastructure. And in an effort to continue providing the highest degree of reliable power to the Glendale community, GWP is making improvements to the electrical system in the Adams Hill neighborhood. The 4 kV to 12 kV conversion project is only one part of Glendale Water and Power's modernization plan to upgrade utility systems throughout Glendale. This project, which will be conducted in 4 phases, includes upgrading to a higher voltage electrical system and replacing over 300 power poles and 168 transformers. Upgrading to a higher voltage will increase the capacity and efficiency by allowing more power to flow through the system. This will strengthen GWP's ability to meet demand and will decrease the amount of energy loss experienced with older equipment. Better yet, these improvements will reduce costs of service and support GWP's commitment to reliability. For more information, or to track the progress of the Adams Hill conversion project, follow GWP on Twitter @COG Water Power or visit GlendaleWaterandPower.com.